Greetings, travel vlog enthusiasts. This is Nikolai from Niko-ventures. Today, we will journey through the Veneto region and explore Verona, the city of love. In the city, we will discover the historical home of Romeo and Juliet. Let's get started.
Initially, we departed from our hotel and soon arrived in Verona, the city of love. Here's the Verona Arena, the Roman amphitheater that has been open since 3080 Anno Domini. The attractions in the city include Piazza Bra, Torre dei Lamberti, and Piazza della Erbe. A significant point of interest is Juliet's house, known as Casa di Giulietta. Additionally, be sure to examine the red mailbox where you can drop your love letters written. I learned that if you place your mailing address, you will receive a reply through airmail. There are several more sites to explore. This is the monument to the partisan dedicated to the fallen for freedom, or the Partisan of Verona, a sculpture created by Mario Salazzari in 1946. Finally, you can visit the town hall Palazzo Barbieri, a neoclassical style palace designed in 1848, along with Resurrectoris, Verona's Pantheon, constructed in the same architectural style. One more thing, here I am, and behind me is the Verona Arena. It's beautiful, isn't it? During the city tour to Verona, we saw the City of Love, which is also the residence of Romeo and Juliet. You may do the same and stroll through the piazza, explore the city's attractions, and engage in additional activities to enjoy during the tour. Here are some links that might be helpful should you visit Verona.
In my next vlog, journey with me in the city of Venice, a renowned place for its gondolas, canals, and glasswork. Stay tuned and see you in my next travel adventure.